Hi, welcome back. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to add school sessions. So I'll click on the school session icon here. So as you can see, just like how we added themes, it's same for session. So you click on set current to set a particular session as the current session. So let's say currently now we have 2020-2021 set as the current session. So let's say we are in 2021-2022 session. So to set it as the current session, I click on set current here. So as you can see, it says operation was successful, changes made, and 2021-2022 has been set as the current session. So let's say for instance you want a session, but the session is not pre-listed here. Just go to new session here. So you can add the session you want, let's say 2023-2024, and you click on submit to add any session that's not already pre-listed. Thank you for watching.